This is part 2 of my 2019 bike check. I'll be featuring all the bikes I haven't already. Here we go. This is James's bike. It's a 1-speed hardtail with a fork that likes to bottom out. Overall, it's just another Walmart bike. This is the pride and joy of our collection. It's got custom bright blue rims with epic bright blue pedals and a custom racing stripe that makes it twice as fast. Now you're probably wondering why we own this little pink bike. It's stupid, but it's fun. And this is my bike, my daily driver, the one I put all my heart and soul into. Let's look at all the parts. So to start off, we have some off-brand handlebars that I covered in tape because they were rusty. And we have 2 radius mechanical brake levers, but one of them isn't attached to anything. You'll see why later. For shifters, we have 2 SRAM twist grips. I also wrapped them in tape because they were like sticky and they would put rubber on me. And they control a 3x7 drivetrain. I have a Suntour M2000N fork with a purple brake caliper and 26 by huge thick 2.3-inch tires. I have a 19-inch aluminum Schwinn frame with unnamed cranks and pedals, and the cassette in the back doesn't actually work, so it's actually really a 1x3. And the name of this channel, The Origins, this bike has no rear brakes, none at all. They're not existent. Hence the name of my channel. So that was it, guys. That was just an introduction to all of our bikes and our bike collection and our channel. Me and James are working together to start off on YouTube. So, yeah.